We're going to talk about using ser and estar when talking about food. This is going to be a really short video because it's actually really simple. We'll start out just a quick look at here's ser and estar. Ser, soy, eres, es, somos, sois, son. Estar, estoy, estás, está, estamos, estáis, están. Just a reminder that those are the present indicative conjugations of those two particular verbs. And the root of our problem, which is that ser and estar are both going to translate as to be, which is where the confusion for the English speaker comes in. They may both translate as to be, but they don't actually mean the same thing, and so we have to use them appropriately. A quick reminder, for those of you who have seen some of my other stuff, Doctor and Clift are two acronyms. One of the Spanish teachers that I met gave me that to help remind us of when to use ser and when to use star. So descriptions, occupations, characteristics, time, origin, relationship. And estar goes with conditions, location. You notice the small asterisk there. Ing, feelings, taste like now. The little asterisk is because there is an exception to location. If I'm talking about a meeting, I'm going to use ser instead of estar. Other than that, we're going to focus on this idea of when we're talking about food, we're either talking about characteristics of that food, we're talking about descriptions of that food, that's on the ser side, or we're talking about taste like now. What does this food taste like? It's really fast, it's really easy. We're going to use ser to talk about what food is generally like. An example would be the ice cream is cold or the tacos from this restaurant are spicy. We're going to use estar to talk about the food that you're currently eating. So I get a bowl of soup and I taste it and I say, this soup is salty, so I'm going to use estar for that. Or they roasted the corn this time, so see how we're talking about this time, not in general. It is delicious, so we're describing this food that we're currently eating. Here's a couple of examples to show us the difference. On the top one, you'll notice how I have la pizza es deliciosa, meaning that I think in general, pizza is delicious. I'm talking about what it would normally be like. If I'm going to talk about the pizza that is in front of us, that is, we ordered a pizza, it comes to the table, and I want to say the pizza is delicious, because I'm talking about the food that I have, that I'm eating, I would say la pizza está deliciosa. So I'm going to use estar because I'm talking about that food that I have with me at that time. That's all there is to it. It's really that simple. If you have any questions or you want a chance to practice, go to my website, LSeed's webpage, and go to the tutorials. There is going to be a section there called ser and estar, and right now the section on food is the only section that's going to be there. There will be some more that are added. You can also go to studyspanish.com. They have a great site to work with, and a lot of good explanation. Have a great day.